Decor Designs by Aisha, and welcome back. Well, as you see, I am going to be showing you today how to do a backdrop design. Alright, so lately I've been doing a lot of backdrops here on my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I do everything, and I'm going to be working with colors, different colors. I'm just going to put colors together and I'm going to see how it looks. Alright, so again, this is my backdrop stand. Hopefully you can see it. Those are the poles, and this right here is the crossbar. All right, you've seen it multiple times. Again, I will be linking this backdrop, this pipe and drape stand in the description box. I absolutely love it. Now, again, these poles are 10 feet tall. They are non-adjustable, but this crossbar is adjustable. All right. And I also will be linking the drapes that I'm going to be working with, which are the blue ones. And I think I'm going to work with some different colors. But all the colors will be linked in the description box below. All right, so let's get started. So here is my curtains that I went ahead and put up on my pipe and drape stand, my backdrop stand. And it's absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love these curtains. As you see, they pleat very well and they flow very well. All right, so now what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to add another piece here at the top. And what I'm going to be adding is this color here. It's more of a coral type of color. Type of polyester. I hope that you can really see it. I don't know how it's shining on coming through on the camera, but it's absolutely gorgeous. All right, and so what I normally do, I normally use safety pins to connect this part to the top up there to make my swoops and my valleys up there, but I could not find my safety pins. So what I did find was these, I think it's called like lapel pins or something. I actually had these, okay, you can see it better now. I actually had these to make my daughter's bouquet, corsage and her date's boutonniere for a prom. So I'm just going to be using these, and I also have some of these that I use. All right, and I have some of these that I'm going to be using. Now, I would recommend if you're doing this for a client that you get safety pins or something that will really hold very well to the back, you know, of your pipe and drape stand. So all I did was just throw this curtain that I'm going to be draping across here. I just threw it over right here, And I tried to measure the middle, which I just used this part as the middle. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to drape one side. All right, so what I'm going to be using that I didn't show you are these Chanel stems. All right, and these are amazing to work with. Some people may use zip ties to connect it. And what I'm talking about, I'm going to take it and droop it this away. One to the, I think I'm just going to do it to the left. Everyone, so I just realized that when I did the blue curtain, this blue curtain here, I did not have my camera on. All right, so I'm sorry about that, but you seen how I did the coral one, and I just did the blue in the exact same way. I just draped it over this main curtain here and just brought it all the way here and just added a Chanel stem. All right. And that's the same way I did the coral one. So now I'm going to go ahead and finish everything up. Make sure the camera is on so that you can see. All right, everyone. So here's my design. And if you've been following me a while, you know that I just think outside the box. I just go for it and go with it. Now, I'm going to be adding a different color to this. And I just want you to see how this looks before I add my other color to it. All right. I'm going to be adding this yellow. I think it's going to be cute. All right. So let's do this. So here is my backdrop design that I did, and as you see the different colors that I used, I used the blue, and then I used another blue here for this area, the swoop that I did here. Then I came back with coral, all right, and then I finished it off with this beautiful yellow. Okay, I absolutely love using different designs in my backdrops, different colors. I love to play with colors and, you know, just go ahead and just see what looks good. So I thought that yellow would look really good because blue and yellow looks good together anyway. All right. Okay, so now I'm not done. Look good on the side here to cover my poles. The poles are on the left side and the right side. Okay. So, all Alright, so I told you I need to cover my poles. What I decided to do is add another yellow. I have some more yellow curtains, and I'm going to just take my Chanel stand. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this so that I can make my pole covers. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this is my curtain, and I'm just going to take this little pocket here, and I have my Chanel stem. Now you can add an extra Chanel stem to this to make it longer if you would like. So just take it, okay, wrap it together just like this. All right, and all this does is just make it extend longer. All right, now you see how long it is compared to the short, you know how short it was earlier. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it, this is my little pocket here that's on my curtain, and I'm just going to take it and just do just like this with my fingers. All right, and I'm doing this so that I can put my Chanel stem through it. Okay, so just take it. Now you can go ahead and put your Chanel stem through it if you would like, but first what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do this so to make it a little easier for me. All right, and depending on how long your curtain is, it may take a while to do this, but you know, patience is key when it comes to doing backdrops or anything. Okay, so just continue to put it on here until you get it all on here. Okay. All right, so now I have finished with my pole cover. As you see, this is how it looks. All right, once you take it and put your Chanel stem on it, and all you have to do is just take it and just wrap it so that it can be tightly wrapped. All right, because you want it to be tight. And either you can cut, oh, I'm sorry, you can see it. Okay, just wrap it. Wrap. Just tuck it underneath here.
I got it all the way around if you want to go.
All right, and see, that's your pole cover. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put both of them on my poles. I'm gonna put one over on this side and one over on the other side. All right, everyone, so here is my design, and this is the way that I decided to leave it. I absolutely love it. Just gonna give you a quick look. All right, so now I'm gonna go in closer and I'm gonna show you what I did with my poles. And all I did was just put this beautiful yellow drape here here on my pole, and I just added this beautiful blue draping underneath it here, and then I just added the yellow. Now this is coral. This color here is like a coral color. I don't know what color is coming through on the camera, but it's like a coral color that I have here. And then I added another blue. All right, and then I just took it and just added it to the pole, which I showed you earlier right here, and I just tied it with Chanel stamps. All right, and just covered my pole just like this. All right, and then I took another pole cover and just added it to this pole here. All right, and take it all the way down. All right, and see what I did here at the bottom. I just, you know, just took it and just tried to make it look good here at the bottom. All right. All right, so here is another design that I did using just one pole at the top and, you know, one crossbar and my two poles on the side. So this is the other design that I did with just one crossbar. All right. So I thank you all so very much for watching. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I would love to have you a part of the Event Decor and Designs by Aisha family. Also, go follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. All right? And make sure you go and check out my website, which is eventdecoranddesignsbyaisha.com. All right, I hope that you all have an amazing day, and I will see you on my next video.